brief history of the migration. The brief history of migration that tells us that in a modern human emerged in Africa 200,000 years ago. These humans were nomadic or hunting gatherers who move in search of food and water. They usually allowed the animals they hunt and migrate as driven as the changes in the climate. Archaeological evidence suggests that these humans spread throughout the Africa and sometime between 80,000 to 60,000 years ago, number of them moved out of the continent. They entered Asia, west spread through Asia, Europe, and to Australia 40,000 years ago, and to America between 20,000 to 15,000 years. By the 10,000 years, man had changed from hunting to a farmer. Hunting to a farmer. Human migration were now aimed mainly by finding the occupying the land and good growing the crops. So their aim was crop. This gradually led to migration conquering the new land and developing the trade and getting the access of new resources. It led to the rise of his follower empire and building of nation. Beginning in the 15th century, many Europeans went to voyages to discover a new land. That means in 15th century, discovery of the new lands to different parts to farm it, to set up a colonies. In 19th century, many Europeans migrated to colonies, attracted opportunity to get cheaply available and abundant resources. Some people migrated to escape precautions. Of different condition in their homeland. For the people, many Irish people migrated to North America to escape famine of the island. There were forced migration too, especially in the 17th and 18th century, like a transportation of a large number of Africans as a slaves to North America. That means transportation of the American laborers to a North America. Over a few generations, immigrants setting the colonies outnumbered the native peoples, and some continents have Australia and America. The Industrial Revolution began in Europe in 19th century. This involved a change in manufacturing of goods and hand manufacturing the help machine. It triggered the enormous growth of manufacturing industries such as towns and cities came around. Factories and mines. Many people from villages come to the country to migrate as the urban in search of jobs. There is a gold rush in the 19th century in Australia, South Africa, and North America. A gold rush is a rapid migration of a miners to a site where the new gold deposit have been discovered. In general, migration is a what is migration? Migration is a better opportunity from rural to urban area, from small town to large cities, developed to more developed countries. As a result, the largest concentration of population across the world is to found in cities that offer different opportunities to get a large number of people. This is the history of the migration.